This is Tryp, having a snooze after a long day at the beach. He sounds just like his grandmother, as he makes the same noise.
Oh yeah, picks up the sound.
And this is poor Derek, who's got to sleep next to the snoring moose. And there's Uncle Fee, who sleeps on the other side of the snoring moose. And there's my spot, furthest away from the snoring moose. He's going to kill me for calling him a snoring moose, what I said. There he is, having a snooze. He's so tired, all tuckered out from glass bottom boating and snorkeling. So Derek writing in his journal. No, you better not, because he'll wake up.
We can pretend nothing happened. Put the camera behind you.
You ever heard of it?